This story begins before the nest. At sunrise, the desert looks empty. Then a shadow cuts across the dust. A greater Roadrunner runes law between shrubs, tail stretched behind it like a drawn arrow. This is a bird with wings, yet its life is written on the ground. In this dreary world, every patch of shade matters. Every bush can hide food or danger. Somewhere inside the torn cover, something smaller than a fist is waiting to break open. The nest is not far from the earth. It sits low in thorny shade, built from tree sticks, grass, bark, and whatever the desert floor offers. Inside are pale eggs, hidden from the open heat. An azot settles over them. Its mottled feathers disappear into the brush. The long tail lies quiet. The yellow eye stays open. The desert is quiet. But quiet is not the same as safe. Heat can rise, a shadow can pass. A sound can travel through tree leaves. Incubation here is not rest. Oh, it is an unbroken watch in a world that does not stop moving. The danger does not need to climb high. A small snake moves below the brush. It passes through the same law world that holds the eggs. The adult freezes, crest raised, body still. One wrong movement could reveal the nest. Nothing happens. That is the tension. The eggs do not move. The parent does not call. The torn covers us what it was built to do. Then the shell opens. The chick is not a ruiner yet. Oh, it is small, weak, and almost weightless against the G-nest. Its beak opens for food before its legs can carry it anywhere. Shade becomes shelter. Branches become walls. The parent's body becomes warmth and cover. But hunger starts immediately. The chick cannot chase insects. It cannot follow a parent. It cannot cool itself by running into shade. A chick this small cannot regulate its own body temperature. In a desert that reaches 40 degrees by midday, the parent on TD9, the shadow is the difference between life and death. And now the low nest demands something impossible. Stay, and the chick is covered. Leave, and the chick can be fed. One azult slips from the brush and drops to the ground. The wings stay short, the legs do the work. It stops, watches, and strikes at movement in the dust. A grasshopper, a beetle, a lizard warming on stone. Even scorpions or small snakes may become food. Here is the desert's secret food is also water. Every prey item carries energy, moisture, and time back to the nest. But every hunt has a cost. While one parent searches the ground, the low nest must trust the cover around it. The parent returns with the desert in its beak. The chick rises, briefly enough. This meal is more than food. It is water, heat, insects, reptiles, shrubshed, and open ground, all carry back to one small mouth. If the brush remains, the nest has cover. If prey remains, the chick has time. Or if the land stays open, the next runner may grow. Hope here is not in the open ski. It is low in the thorns, in a shaded nest, near enough prey, with enough quiet ground for a parent to find its way back. Protect the desert's native shrubs. Or the bird that survives by ruining still needs somewhere to run.